Alright, so I'm going to assemble this thing now. And to assemble it, I'm just going to kind of follow the directions I found online. As you can see here, we're going to start with this L piece. And to start with the L piece, I'm going to first just go to repeat move here. And I already got it selected, and I'm going to select an axis. I'm going to just start by rotating that piece, because I want to rotate that piece 90 degrees to start. Oh, and I didn't grab it, so I'm just moving some stuff out of the way here. And once again, I said I want to move this piece right here, and I want to do a rotate on it. I could do the whole thing where it gives me this. That's actually probably the easiest way to go. And I'm just going to rotate that piece 90 degrees, like so. And after I do that, what I want to do is I want to ground this piece. So once I ground this piece, it's kind of stuck right where it is. So like I can move all the other pieces around, but that piece gets grounded. So I can't move that piece. So that's exactly what I want. And the next piece I want to go in there is this T piece. So I'm going to just spin the T piece the way that they have it in the picture. Oops. Didn't hit OK apparently. Grab the T piece and rotate around 180 degrees. Hit enter. OK. And I want to put it in here. And to do that, we use the joint tool. Now, here's where if you don't make your parts into components, you can't do this. And I'm just going to, for this one, I'm going to put the middle of this face right here into the middle of our main piece right there. And that should drop in with no problems at all. And I click OK. I'm noticing this piece right here. I don't like that the appearance is too close to the other piece. So I'm going to change this one's appearance just a little real quick. Maybe I'll make that one like just wood just to really try to differentiate that one. And then these guys are kind of similar looking, so I'm going to change this appearance just quick too. And go to appearance. And I don't have a red, so I'm going to make this like maybe a red. Or make this one red, I don't care. As long as one of them becomes red. There we go. Okay, so now I've got enough difference in my pieces that'll make it easier. It looks like Ness, this piece here is going to go in there. And I'm going to click on this piece. And I'm just going to try to rotate this -90. And this direction, -90. Looks like, and it gets it kind of like seated where I want it to go. I'm going to use the joint tool now, and the center of this piece onto the center of this piece, and that is perfect. Okay, so that is two of the pieces all put together. And after I get them put together, I want the L to go next to it. Now this is where it starts to get a little more difficult because I'm going to have to start using edges. But I do find rotating the piece the right direction. Whoa, what is going on there? That is not what I wanted to happen. Not at all. So I want to go to move, click the piece. I must have just grabbed the edge and tried to rotate it. So this piece, if we turn here, I want it to go on this edge. So I'm gonna actually I'm gonna stick these edges together, I believe. Let's see if I can do that. So I want this point here to go to that point there. So that corner to that corner in that direction, and that worked great. So that was that step. Step 4, it looks like these pieces have to go in their respective slots on either side, so I can do that. So I've got to get them. I come to the front. Which one goes where? So let's go to the move tool and grab this one. I think this one can go here. And I think I'm going to put this corner right there. That's what I'm going to try for. I'm going to see if I can get this corner to go right there. And does that work out? That works very nicely. We're going to go and select this piece right here, and we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. Very good. Do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to not move. I'm going to joint on this corner on that axis to hit this corner on this axis. Very good. And this, I've got to like spin this guy all the way around. So let's grab this piece. And I want it like completely flipped over. So I want like 180 this way and then 90 this way. That looks good. And then joint. Yeah, I think that'll work. Here to, no, it's got to be on the right plane. Had it for a second. Will that work? Come on. That's the right plane. Okay, so I was touching, and that will put your Soma cube together. There's a lot of different ways you could do it, but basically you just got to use all of the joints to get the Soma cube together. So this is how you put the Soma cube together. Next, I'm going to do the exploded view, and then you can start dimensioning all the pieces.